All right, Liam, we're going to watch a little video here from yesterday. Just going to watch it in full speed first and then slow it down a little bit. All right, I'm going to slow it down a little bit now. Okay, so you're clearly a strong guy. We want to be using all of your power for as long as possible during the stroke. So if you watch your blade here, so your left shoulder is dropping down in between your legs. See that? And that's making your blade go up high off the water. So when we look at how long it takes, how many frames does it take you to go from here to actually moving the boat? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It takes about 12 frames for you to actually get in the water, and then another 3 or 4 to actually start moving the boat. So here you're connected and you're moving the boat. Let's look at the next stroke. Left shoulder drops down, blade comes up off the water, right? Then you start driving the blade into the water. Okay, so you're really not moving the boat again until about right there. So you're about halfway through your stroke there. And by the time you're moving the boat, your legs are almost done. Okay, so what I mean by driving the blade into the water is you've kind of reached your furthest reach here. And this is the point where you can kind of see Ariel's blade. You know, she's kind of doing the right thing here. The bottom edge of the backside of her blade is hitting the water going in, and she's hooking on and driving in, though she's getting a little shallow there. But your full reach is here, and then you're driving it in rather than catching on the recovery. So one thing you can do here is bring your legs a little bit closer together so your shoulder, your outside shoulder, the left shoulder can't drop down below the level of the knees there. So knees a little bit closer together, keeping that left shoulder up a little bit higher and that left hand up a little bit higher so you can't drop down quite as low. So this position here, you know, if your knees were a little bit closer together, this position here, excuse me, would be a better catch position. So you'll notice your hand is just a bit lower, your outside hand is just a bit lower than your shoulder, and you're not lunging. So from here, if we watch, actually not bad. I would say your seat is moving a little bit faster than your handle here, so you want to bring the handle with the seat a little bit more. But from this position, not so bad. It's just this here, right? That big movement there. So we want to minimize that movement. Otherwise, I think you're making good improvements. Again, we just want to get to this position at the catch rather than that position.